Our next element on our list here today, we have air, breathing, we have water, and the next is nutrition. Nutrition is very important for our bodies. Now, I'm not going to tell you what to eat and what not to eat, because there are so many different ideas of what people need to eat. We as humans are omnivores. Our teeth, our bodies, our digestive systems are designed to eat plants, fats, and animal meats. Now, the ratio to which you consume all of that, that's your choice, depending on how you believe and what you believe. You can go vegan, you can go paleo, you can go Atkins. There are so many different options, but which one is right for you? Well, guess what? I can't tell you that, a doctor can't tell you that, and a book isn't going to tell you that. Only your own body is going to tell you. You need to experiment, you need to try. But think first. Think about what makes sense. If I go completely vegan, is my body going to be happy? Think about that and feel it. And then try it. Give it a try. Go for no meat. And eat only vegetables and see how your body feels. If your body doesn't feel right, then there's something wrong. Your body is needing something else. It's different. And so experiment and try different things. Okay, let's talk about paleo. Paleo is a diet. It's a diet that's been around for maybe about 10, 15 years or so, and it's based on the Paleolithic era. Basically, the idea is eat as people in the Paleolithic era did. Before there was domestic society, before there was agriculture and buildings and taxes and things like that. Eat as a human is designed to eat. So basically what that means is no grains, no refined sugars, lots of good healthy fats. Fats are very important because our bodies actually get energy from fat, not sugar. Most people understand that glucose, sugar, is what fuels our body, but it's actually the opposite. It's the fat that does it. Sugar is a fast-burning food. And when you take in that sugar, your body will get excited and it will have energy, and then it will fall. It'll die. It will lose the energy. But when you have the fat, your brain is all fat. When you have the fat in your body has this slow, steady, strong, burning energy inside its body. It keeps your brain alive and healthy, and it keeps the energy within your body. So the Paleolithic diet is focused around fats, no grains, no sugars, no refined carbohydrates or anything like that. Mostly natural foods, lots of vegetables, lots of berries, lots of fruits, good things like that. And in my research, I've found that that is a pretty good way to do it. But of course, like I said, every body is different. So it may work for you, it may not work for other people.